Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever come, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again on the internet bestie, and I'm here to share all the love, the joy, and all the good vibes. So yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're returning early, welcome back. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. You know, you like what you see, guys. I mean, if you're showing me a little clip, we'll keep fast. So guys, it's currently 5:05. So we're on our way to Pretoria. We're going to do some things that I've been out and go over with them. So I just wanted to shoot an intro for this video because I didn't do that yet, you see. So guys, I'm waiting for just to out of that day. Why is it man? It's just in the room. I'll show you guys outfit of the day later on. But anyways, talk later.
God, you keep on blessing me, and you keep protecting me, even though I don't always do the right things, but your grace is sufficient.
Hi guys, so you won't believe what I'm about to tell you. We're still on the road. Like I used to be hoteling, like not on the road, like everything in Pretoria and stuff. But I used to be hoteling and I'm very tired. I'm very tired. So like I and then they decided to go on bottle steers. Like I want mandus. Like I want meat, guys. Like so like I get sip. So yeah, I'll update you guys when we get to the hotel. I look so shiny, but it's fine. Guys, how lazy I can lift it. So yeah, I'm going to swim. And I want to take pictures also. So yeah guys, I'll update you guys when we get to the hotel. So yeah, ultra malaga, yo guys, it's not even funny at this point. It's not even funny.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever come, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me.
Morning guys. Today is a Sunday and I'm here with the pool because my little sisters come and swim. Because I feel like it's not cold, Marie. not my style. So yeah. So we're going back home today. Guys, ngono batla go leka dilo tse di sa lekegeng, and then I don't even know how to swim.
Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Guys, so first of all, study chemically, and then now we're going to have some breakfast, and then after I think we're gonna go. I don't know. I guess if we work, I don't know the plans of money. But then after that, we're going home. Wow, guys, I changed my outfit because I couldn't walk around with that dress. It's very revealing. So it's like, let me just wear this one because let me show you guys. I look so good.
Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been running better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you
Good morning, guys. I just woke up. Today's a Monday, the 24th of November 2025. And I think it's 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, somewhere. And I just woke up, so I just wanted to end this vlog right now. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I hope you like what you see. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And guys, like, this was it's a messy vlog. For me, I feel like this vlog is very messy. So I'll do better the next one because it's very messy. I like, I don't know. But that's how I feel. Maybe you guys won't feel like that. So please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like. Yes. And I'll see you guys in another video. Because I don't think I have plans for today. Yeah, I don't have plans for today, so I'm gonna be ending the vlog now. So yeah.